What's going on, guys? It's your boy Devontae Harris here, back with another video, and today we're going to show you how to press neck tags on t-shirts. And when I say we, I mean me. So that's what we're going to get into. If you spent your whole day, past year, typing on the computer, how do I press neck tags on t-shirts with the hat press? You probably couldn't find a video. You couldn't find the solution. I'm the Messiah. I'm here to be your savior, okay? To help you, and only you that's watching this video because you took the time to click on it. We also have a bunch of these shirts right here. We got a bunch of those to do. So we're gonna print at least 20 of those today. We might set up a time lapse, I don't know. But all I'm saying is we're gonna get this done, and we're gonna get it today or tonight, right now. You're watching this, aren't you? Let's get it together. Peace. Quick little message, if you haven't got a chance to yet, you know how I said all the art videos are on a specific channel? They're on this channel right up here called Created by Harris, where I will upload all my artwork videos, and I got some really cool stuff coming. So I would say subscribe, go subscribe for your boy. Do that for me, do that favor for me. So, guys, this right here, see this? What a dope shot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, thumbnail. But these right here are the neck tags. These are the neck tags from Payette Ink in embroidery. These are super clean. Ooh, that's a dope thumbnail too. These are cool. These are the neck tags. Wait, hang on. Is that all of them? Big dog. I don't know if that's all of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 4, 6, 8, 10, 2. Okay. It might be all of them. I hope it's all of them. If it's not all of them, I'm gonna be really upset. Yeah. You hear me? Sorry guys, I act a fool sometimes in front of the camera. It's just nervousness, I can't help it. But this should be all of the neck tags. We're gonna place these on all of the shirts. I will actually show you 2 different kinds of shirts here. All right, so in the previous video, we were using these shirts right here. We were printing on these, right? If not, if you haven't seen the short, you can go ahead and watch that. But this is a Hanes Authentic. These are nice. They are comparable to the American Apparel 1301s. Right there, as you can tell. American Apparel 1301. Fun fact, American Apparel used to be All Style. Now if you know All Style, you are an OG of the t-shirt game. You feel me? These are gonna get the neck tags, so we're gonna show you how to do that today. It's gonna do its cycle of like circulating and then get to the print. If I did have to say one thing about this specific print, is that me personally, I hate when the prints are just big white squares. That takes up so much white ink. Customer paid those, so we gotta make it happen. I'm not knocking the customer, I'm not knocking anybody who does that. I'm just saying personally, me, I just don't want a big white square on a t-shirt. You know what I mean? Like, but I'll rock a plain t-shirt before I just have a square image. I'm gonna print out the design and I'll let you guys judge how fire or not it is. You know, is it hot or is it not? You feel me? We'll play a little game. Is the design hot or is it not? That ain't for me to decide. You pay, I print, I ship to you, because I love you for ordering, okay? And it's cleaning, so we have to wait. Or waiting, if you're wondering what that is, no, it's not, because I had fun last night. That is pre-treat. This is an old pre-treat, guys. It's like from 5, 6 years ago. That's crazy. That's a pearl, man. It's going strong too. I do want to get a different pre-treater like that Viper Pro Max, man. But here's the heat press right here. This is what we're going to be using. This is a hat press. It is for hats, but we're going to be using this to press neck tags. So we're going to get this, put it over here. I opened up the garage. I had to open up the garage. It was way too hot in here. We gotta keep up with the production. Nothing can stop us today. We gotta go till, it's about to be 9 o'clock. We are going until about 11 o'clock tonight. So let's make it happen. No excuses. Let's start cutting and let's start pressing. Let's do it. These right here. here are the XL, double XL neck tags. Extra large. Large. So they're all cut up. Now what we need to do is get the hat press and heat it up and get ready to press on these tags. Let's get it. All right, guys, look at this. Tell me what you think. Like, it's fire, ain't it? Like, this piece is super, super sick. Don't get me wrong, it is fire. It's just the square, to me, like, I wish it was just like blended into the shirt. Like, that would be crazy. What do you think? Absolutely fire. Is it hot or is it not? Let me know, you be the judge. Is it hot or is it not? What you think? I can get a tad bit dramatic. It just makes for great content. We're gonna spruce this guy up, clean it up a little bit, and then go ahead and start using it. Plug it in after. Clean it first, and then plug it in. Safety first. Just gonna clean it up before we use it, just to make sure. Do not want any dirtiness on the client's shirts. There's like little bits and pieces of dirt. We don't want all that on there, you know, so. Just in case, nice wipe down, never hurt nobody. I won't tell nobody. The line I just quoted, I won't tell nobody. If anybody can get that, I will send him a free shirt if you can guess what movie I quoted. All right, so that's cleaned up right there. Walking through the dark and reminiscing. All right, it's good. So the heat press is going to heat up right now. And as soon as this gets heated up, we're going to start pressing neck tags. All right, guys, so this heat press, hat press is up to temp, and we're going to press the first shirt. These transfers from Paid Ink and Embroidery are so awesome. They're hot peel. You just press them on for a few seconds and then go that route. So check this out. You don't need to add anything special to it. Once you got it on there, hold it down. You don't have to, like I can, you know, it's just a habit for me to do it. Hold it down, you're gonna beep at you, boom. It is hot, bam, look at that, on there. Just like that. And let me see if I can see. Boom. And just like that, the neck tag is on the shirt, clean, stretch it, pull it, it ain't going nowhere. Really, really nice hot peel. We also sell DTF transfers. So if you're looking to DTF transfer things yourself, direct to film, we can help you with that. Click the link in the bio, or in the description, sorry. And then we can go ahead and get your orders set up, you know what I mean? With that being said, I'm going to do a speed through all of this. I gotta speed this up because I got other things to do, but you're gonna see me press about 56, 58 shirts right now of these neck tags, so let's keep going. I do want to point out, these transfers are not vinyl transfers. They are digital ink transfers, okay? So it's just like the DTG printing, but with adhesive powder on the backing, and then that allows you to heat press it onto the shirt. And like I said, it does not go anywhere. Point of how to press a neck tag on a t-shirt using a hat press. It's the easiest, most fastest way to do it. But I still have about 50 shirts to press these neck tags on. I mean, I guess I'll get some ambient shots in the background of me doing it. Take a second to appreciate how clean that white underbase is. I mean, look at the detail in this piece too. Super, super fire. All right, guys, so we're gonna get back into the montage. We still got a lot of things to do, a lot of ground to cover, and I'm trying to finish up by 11 tonight. I am tired. We worked. Vince and I worked till 1 something yesterday, and no, not tonight. I'm tired. And tomorrow's the day off, so majority of this has to get done. So let's keep going. What's going on, guys? All right, so that is the end of the video. We are wrapping it up. My man Vincent is over here folding the last of the shirts. I did all the neck tags. These are for the Unleashed Authenticity design. And I'll come over here. Oh, by the way, check all this. These are all wet, by the way. Okay. All wet right here. All of them are wet. Need to dry those. I'll dry them in the morning, no big deal. But right here is where all these shirts are folded. Boom. There's the neck tags, as you can see. Super, super clean. Bam. They look super, super nice. These are gonna get folded. No, they're already folded, I'm sorry. These are gonna get packaged and shipped out in the morning. And I will probably be doing that today because it is only 10:30. More than likely, we're gonna do that today or tonight because they have to go out. I got Mike going. I'm like, Mike, I'm gonna get you back. Just chill out. But that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And there is tons of knowledgeable content on this channel, so you can click either one of these videos right here that you see, and it'll take you in circulation so you can keep watching the videos. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you share. Make sure you head on the website if you have a custom order that you want to do. It is super seamless for you to go on the website, upload your design, or you could design a t-shirt on there as well, and then you get instant pricing right away. So I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Okay, so maybe this won't be able to fit in here. How many stacks we got? Yeah, no, it'll work because look, because if we stack it like that, yeah, no, that's solid. And then we can put that one on the side. Yep, just like that. We'll take some off of it. Yeah. Brother. Oh no! You're gonna hate me.
Why?
Those ones. We can make them fit in here. We can make them fit. They can go on top. They can go on top.
Okay, these are already pressed and all that?
Yeah, they're already pressed and they have the neck tags on them.
Alright.
Alright, damn. We're so close. We had it. We had it all. Alright, guys, we're gonna make it fit.
Damn, boy.
It's a bunch?
It's a bunch.
Yeah. If it don't fit, make it fit. Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.